Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Wordpress team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress Gutenberg tutorial for beginners. This is our part number 10. Inside this video session guys, we will see that how can we use shortcodes inside our Gutenberg blocks. Inside last video, we had discussed all about reusable block concept in Gutenberg. So if I back to browser, go to post. Let's create a post by clicking on add new. Let's say that post number 10 as video number. Now inside this, we are going to use a shortcode inside our created post. Or let's say that if we have some page, so how can we use shortcodes inside page or post? So before that, if I open a duplicate tab and let's say that we are going to install or enable Contact Form 7 plugin inside this WordPress setup. So to go to plugins, and here already we have installed called Contact Form 7. This is a WordPress plugin we have installed from WordPress repository. Click on activate button. So Contact Form 7 is now successfully activated, and here we have a menu named as contact. Click on this menu. Now if we want to use this contact form, here is the shortcode. So how can we use this shortcode to our Gutenberg block? So simply copy this shortcode. I am copying that. Go to post here, and inside this I am to add a shortcode widget. So click on this plus icon, go inside this widgets, and inside this we have a shortcode widget. So click on that, and here we have to paste the shortcode what we have copied for this contact form. Now if we click on this publish button, so we are going to publish this post number 10. Click on this view post to a new tab, and inside this post, as we can see that we have now a contact form. This is contact form what we have for the shortcode. If we click on edit button, now inside this we can see that your name, your email, subject, message, and a send button. Now this is the layout of our contact form. So here the main goal is not to understand about Contact Form 7 structure. This is only to understand, that is, how can we use our shortcode inside shortcode widget inside Gutenberg. This is not only for the Contact Form 7. Let's say we have any of the plugins of WordPress repository. Inside that we have some shortcode. So by using this shortcode widget, we can just copy and paste and use the shortcode accordingly. If we back to our admin panel, and let's say that this is our Contact Form 7, and we are going to make it as a reusable block. So click on this icon, let's say that add to reusable blocks, and here we need to provide, so let's say Contact Form 7. Now if we click on save button, so successfully we have made a reusable block. It means that we can use inside another layout of post as well as pages. So click on add new, and before that first we need to update the structure. Go to all post and click on add new. Let's say that post number 10.1, and inside this, if I click on that, inside this list we have a reusable block. So click on this drop down icon. So right now we have 3 columns: pull quotes layout as well as Contact Form 7. So if I click on that, successfully we have integrated about the widget of Contact Form 7. And also if we want to use another reusable block inside this post, so simply I'm to here click on this reusable and click on this 3 columns pull quotes layout. Now successfully we have 2 reusable blocks inside this post, all about contact form 7, and second we have pull quotes area. So click on publish button. We are publishing our post and this is post number 10.1. Go here and here we have a contact form and also we have a pull quotes layout. So successfully guys, inside this video we had seen that how can we use third-party shortcodes in a widget called shortcode widget inside Gutenberg block. Also we have made that widget a reusable block. So inside this video session guys, if you have any doubt, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.